Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a new vertex on edge in Blender. So if you would like to do it, first we need to do is change mode from object mode to edit mode. After that we need to select edge selection mode, and then you will be able to select one from available edge. So for example, I select this one edge. After that I click right mouse button on it and I choose here subdivide. Now we need to open subdivide settings and type here number of cuts. For example, I choose here one cut, and now we need to change mode to vertex selection mode. And how you see, a new vertex has been successfully added here. So now if I select this vertex and press 2 times the G button, I will be able to change position of this vertex, maybe somewhere here or here. Everything depends on your preferences. For example, this new vertex position will be great for me, so I click somewhere here, and like you see, our vertex has been successfully created here, and we move it to this position. So it's everything in this video. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it supports my work. Remember to check links in description, and that's all. Thank you for watching.